So guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Fanatics gift card, and so all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select any order like this one. You can purchase any product and you can apply your gift card on any product, okay? And you need to simply click on any product, and like this one I'm going to show you an example. And once you click on this one, you need to click on add to cart, and before making any kind of purchase, make a proper, you can say, refund and return policies, each and everything. And once you done each and everything, you need to click on add to cart, and once you click on add to cart, this product is you can say added in your card, and you need to simple, you can say, checkout option. And once you click on checkout option, you will see this kind of window, and on this window you will see there is an option like if you don't have any account, you need to create your account first of all. And once you on this screen, on checkout screen, you can see over here on the right side of your window like apply gift card number, okay? So as you can see over here, you need to click on apply gift card number, and where you can get your gift card number, I have already told you, like this one on the back side of your card, or if you have any kind of physical card, then the gift card number is in your, you can say, like gift card number is in your email, okay? And you need to, you can say, you need to you need to enter your card number over here, and you need to click on apply. And by using this method, you can redeem your gift card of Fanatics, okay? So this is the process by which you can easily redeem your gift card. And if you have any kind of questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.